Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sign up with Jobber. In order to do so, you're going to want to go to getjobber.com, and once you're there, then you should be met with a screen that's similar to this. Here you can put in your email to start a free trial, or you can click up here where it says start free trial. We'll go ahead and do that, and then from here you can see that you have the option to either put in your email or you can start with Google or Apple. I'm going to go ahead and start with Google. Do a quick login here. And there you go. Our free trial is now active. From here, you can enter in your personal information and just go step by step, and you'll be all signed up for Jobber. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.